Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a real quick video for installation of Zana international manufactured radiator guard for my Dominar UG. So I'm sitting beside it, and I've already removed the current cover of the radiator. So this is the cover, and you have press clips inside it. Okay, you just let me turn on the light for you. You just press the center and it would go inside, and then the whole pin would pop out. The whole press clip would pop out. So this way you have to remove four of these press clips. Remove 2 bolts from top, 2 nuts. 2 nuts, keep them aside because you're going to need them to lock the radiator guard bag. So now let's quickly check how to install this further. Now before we proceed ahead, I'll request you to please follow my channel. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and do hit the bell icon for all the updates from me. Thanks, and let's move ahead now. So just unpacking the radiator guard. I hope you checked the unboxing video where I showed what all spares had come for, what all accessories had come for my Dominar. So this is one of those parts. Let me check those. So like I said, we need the top 2 nuts from the stock radiator guard. Okay, this will go at the top, and this is the lock mechanism at the bottom. So in a while I'll show you how to install this also. So I've removed the bottom parts. Now I'm going to slide the grill inside, put it at the top section. It's getting slightly stuck. Gone inside. Use the first washer and nut. One washer, one nut. Do not tighten this completely, just put it in its place. Second one, and this is also in its place. Okay, now comes the tricky part. We got 2 of these plates. Okay, if you see, the hole is on the edge of one side, so you have to use it this way. Okay, slide it inside, and there at the back side you will see the stock radiator's edge. So this one is going to get stuck like this. Okay, we're going to tighten the bolts from this side. So let me complete it and show it to you. I pass the nut from this side, bolt, and the nylon lock nut from the back side. Okay, do it the same for the other side too. Use this one, put it at the back, and there you go. Tighten both these completely. All 4 of these, now tighten these out, and your work is done. So just check that the guard is sitting really nice and tight inside, and then tighten all the bolts and you will be done. Okay, so let me fetch the spanners. So tightening the top second bolt, it's all done. First and second both are done, and now using the ratchet as well as a ring spanner, I'll tighten this one out. So there you go, I've tightened all the nuts and bolts, and everything's in place, and the guard is installed. So guys,